Yeah, first all of you type in a Google, that is a Springboot directly in the Google search engine, or you can type in the URL also. So you'll be getting like this. The first website, it's a spring.io. This is the official website. So this is the official website is there. So in that, development tools. So if you go to the projects, the development tool, Spring Tools 4 version 4. If you click it in the projects, Spring Tools 4. Okay. So if you click that one, so you'll be getting this particular screen in the website, or you can directly type spring.io/tools. So directly you'll be getting this screen. Okay. So in that there are many Spring tools for VS Code is there. Spring tools for Eclipse. So this is what we are downloading, Spring tools for Eclipse. In this, Linux is there, Mac OS is there. So finally there is a Windows version. If you look at last one, that is Windows X8664. So this is the version we need to download it. So if you click this particular one, if you click that one, it will be downloaded. So you can see it here. So total 649 MB is there. It is showing me around 8 minutes. And the name of the file is Spring Tool Suite 4-4.24 release. Like this, Windows 32, Windows 32.x86 64. Finally, it is basically .jar file. So it is a compressed Java file. Basically, it is .jar means it is a compressed Java file. Okay, so you can download it. The total size is 649 MB. So all of you download it. I'll give 2 minutes time. So go to the spring.io tool, then download this Windows version. So it is downloading. So all of you download that one. So don't use mobiles for listening this lecture. It may not be visible to you. So hope everybody is downloading. Okay. So now the file is downloaded .jar file from the website. So this is available in your downloads folder. So it is available in the download folder. So left side there is a downloads folder is there. So if you click downloads, you can see in this the file is downloaded. So already I downloaded, that's why second time the same file is I downloaded. Okay, so just copy this particular .jar file in any of the folder. Like I'm copied and stored in my document folder, but you go to the D drive if you have a D drive, because I don't have a D drive, so everything is there in the C drive only. So in that you can just create a folder with Springboot name. You can create a folder with Springboot name. So let me delete the old one. Okay, so you can go to the D drive and then you can create a new folder. So name of the folder you can give it as a Springboot. Okay. So from the downloads you can copy the file, copy it, then in the Springboot folder paste it. So it is a jar file is there that you downloaded from the website. This is the jar file, .jar file is there. Okay, so you need to extract this particular jar file. So in order to extract the jar file you need a WinZip, or you can download the WinRAR. There is a tool called a WinRAR tool is there, which is used to uncompress the files, as well as you can compress it, but whatever that compressed file is there. So I'm just uncompressing. So here, so right click it, then open. WinRAR, open. So if you open it, it will be like this. You can just say extract. So documents, Springboot tools, okay. You can change this one. extract and replace the files. So let me. So generally when you are right clicking, it will ask extract here. So I think it is loading. So open with WinRAR. If you are right clicking, if it is saying extract here option, then simply select that one so that everything will be extracted in the current directory. So it is saying unknown publisher. Extract to I used. So it is extracting in which directory? In the same document. So Spring Tools, this is the folder it is creating. You can change it. You can just go to the documents in the right side. In the documents, we are created the Spring Boot. So now I selected that one, then OK, so that everything will be extracted in the directory. So now it is extracted. So just close it. Now you can see previously only this is a file is there in the directory Springboard, but now all the files are extracted again within this one. So one more, there is a contents.zip file is there. So this you need to extract it. Again right click, open, extract to. So which directory? Document, Spring Boot, contents is there. You can say just OK, so that everything will be extracted in the sub. So now it is extracting. Completed the task, and you can close the WinRAR. So now first you extracted this particular file, then there is a contents.zip file is there, you are extracted contents.zip file also. So once you extracted, this folder is created. By default the folder will be created here. Just go to the contents directory. So in that there is a STS, this is what the tool, Spring tool. If you click it, then you can see all these files are existed. So in this there is a Spring tool suite 4.exe executable file. So this file you need to double click it. So once you unzip it, you will be getting, let me repeat once again. So what is the first step? First you need to extract this main file .jar file. Then you will be getting a this self-extractory.class file, UI file, meta-int file, then contents.zip file. So contents.zip file you need to again extract it, so that you will be getting another subfolder which contains this. So again click it. These are the files which is part of your Spring tools. So, okay. If you just double click the Spring tool suite 4.exe file, your IDE will open and it automatically searches for whether the Java is installed or not. If the Java is not installed, it will ask you to install the Java also. So now it is by default all the operating system they are installing Java. If it is not there, again you need to go to the website and type J2SC download, then download it, install it. Okay. So now I just pressed the Spring tool suite.exe file so that the IDE will open.